Pating Reviews presents Samsung HW-S60T 4.0ch all-in-one soundbar. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Good soundbar for the price. It increases the volume of the TV a significant amount and makes everything sound way better than using the TV speakers. It only comes with an optical audio port and wire, no HDMI connector, and can be connected with Bluetooth for wireless. No issues either way, but I prefer the wired optical connection. The only issue I have is that when I first turn on the TV on in the morning, the voice prompt says digital audio in, very loud, and I have no idea how to turn that off, but that's a minor inconvenience. If you have a bigger space, then maybe get something with a subwoofer and more speakers, but for an apartment, this is excellent for such a low price. Here's a bit more information about this soundbar. Model name, home theater system. Brand, Samsung. Speaker type, surround sound. Control method, voice. Mounting type, tabletop. Side horn speaker with Samsung Acoustic Beam. Experience a panoramic and room-filling sound with the dual-sided horn speakers and Samsung Acoustic Beam Technology. Elegant design, refined by KVADRAT, the perfect accent for any interior. Enjoy your soundbar hands-free using the built-in voice Alexa. Easily control your soundbar and other compatible devices using voice commands. Ask Alexa to play a song by simply saying the title or a few lines of the song lyrics. Music mode recognizes and optimizes what is playing so that you can enjoy music as the creators intended it. The soundbar automatically delivers optimized sound based on each scene and lets you hear voices clearly on low volumes. The built-in subwoofer enhances your soundbar with deep, rich bass sound. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.